This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Reddoch Hooks. This is a one-of-a-kind, two-story, log home in excellent condition. Updated, large kitchen, with an open floor plan with dining area and a large living area with a beautiful fireplace and cathedral ceiling. 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms downstairs, plus a 3/4 bathroom in the utility room. Upstairs, there's a bedroom and bathroom and a game room. There's so much here, you have to see it in person. The home is in a quiet area. Call Quality Service Realtor, Reddoch Hooks. 337-375-2129 or 337-463-2121 for more information. Review the details below or contact Reddoch Hooks at 1337-463-2121.